So I said we have to start clear up into this. So today I said so we are going to continue today on logical operator. Logical operator. Enter. So on logical operator, we say x, we define x is equals to 20, say y is equals to 30, say z is equals to 45. Okay, so say if x is greater than y and y is greater than z, it should bring us what? The largest number. So if this is a conditional statement, x is greater than y, so and y is greater than z, enter, as into print x is the largest number. X is the largest number. S green x is green x is the smallest number. Tap enter. Tap it again. Okay, we forgot to place this one. Cover it there. Tap enter twice. You have the answer. Say S is the smallest number. Are we there? So now that's logical operation for and. So we'll take logical operation for or. Okay. Logical operation. Or. You should not afraid of this. The thing is just interesting. The good news is that it's not difficult. Okay. Logical operation for or. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. Now, logical operation for or. If we say x, we define x is equals to 40 and y 40 enter and y is equals to 60 enter and z is equals to so if x is greater than y or x is greater than z, read the as in green s is largest number. Also to print me x is the largest number. X is the largest number. X is the largest number. S, if they do not obey that condition, that way else, right? Else print Read me x is the smallest. Enter. Enter again. Okay, see x is the largest number. Let us check. See x is 40, y is 60, and z is 20. I said x is greater than y, or x is greater than z. When x is largest number, when x is smallest number. So if you look at now very keenly, x is not the smallest number here. Are we there? X is not the smallest number. So that is why he printed now x is largest number. Yes, he printed. Although we have now three now numbers here, we have z as the largest, but he cannot print that x is the smallest number. So you print now what is closer. So that is why you print x is largest number. Okay, now let's move on to logical not. Logical not equation. Logical not. Yes. You have to just master this thing now. In the long run, we'll be using them. You should not be confused. You should not be asking questions. Why are we using this? Okay, that is the reason that you have been taught for that. X is equals to 30 and y is equals to 40 and z is equals to 80. Okay, now we said if this we are logical not, if not, to this one, if not x greater than y, if not x greater than y, or x greater than z, are we there? Or x greater than z, yes, and x greater than z. Then we have print. X is not the largest number. Print x is not the largest. Yeah, let us add this thing here. It's not the largest number. Okay, print x is not the largest number. S, I said when you're working S, you only need to be aligned with if. The S condition need to align with if condition. S, enter, print, print x is not smallest number. Smallest number. Okay, before we clock in, we should know that this same condition, it return true if the condition expression is false. It return true if the condition is false, and it return false if the condition is true. So that's why I call it logic. Yes, it's a bit confusing, but as days go by, you understand it more better. Okay, we forgot to place go by here. Okay, enter twice. Okay, now you say x is not largest number because why here he work x is greater than y or x is greater than z. So here x is greater than y or x is greater than z. So at this point now it is not like the opposite on the aspect of this. So in a nutshell, I will explain this one more better. Now let us recap. At this point, we started here on logical operator. So logical operator, we move on. We're on and. So x equals to 20 and y equals to 30, z equals to this. So we say if x greater than y and y greater than z, print x is the largest number. So if then s, if you do not print this one, print me this other one. That's why s is there. If you don't print me this one, if this condition does not hold, okay, print this other one. Okay, so the machine now the Python now going to check if this condition hold. If the condition does not hold, it will then now is going now to print this other one. You understand now? So he printed x is the smallest number and x is the smallest number. X is 20, right? Is the smallest number. So we logical operation of on all capital letter. So x is equals to 40 and y equals to 60, z equals to 20. We said x greater than y or x greater than z. Bring me x is the largest number. S bring x is the smallest number. So whichever he said x is the smallest number. And you look at it here, say x is the largest number. You look at it here. So we have two. If we were to place three condition, you were supposed to capture this because here we have y is 60 and 40. So we're comparing between x and y. So x cannot be the smallest number. Z between x and z. So x cannot be the smallest number. So z is the smallest number. That is why he printed this, and it is showing that it is largest. He printed 40. Okay, now moving on logical not. We have x 30 and we have y 40 and we have z 80. So we say if not, this one now is always saying the opposite. When this is true, it will tell you now it will be false. If it is false, it will tell you it's true. So this one is the opposite. So if not x is greater than y or x is greater than z, bring me x is not the largest number. S is. So he said x is not the largest number. Okay. So now we have come to the end of the program. But going ahead, you will understand more better. It's just because of the, you see, from the beginning, it is always tough. But what matters is the end, okay? Yes. And they always say that the patient dog eat the fattest bone. So be patient. Yes. There are things that you cannot understand it all, but you have to move ahead. When you move ahead, there are things that it will give you a reflect of what you have learned behind. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Take care.